Hey, so I'm gonna show you I'm gonna make my favorite sound out of slime. So first you can stretch it out and play with it because that's gonna make the sound come out better, and it's gonna make the sound come out. And yes, before you say it, I did draw on this box before I made it my background because I felt like it. I just started doodling, so yeah. I love doodling. Just stretching it out. It's really stretchy. And then I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna squish it in. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it does. So I'm gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna keep stretching it. I'm just like pulling it like far and then folding it over each other, and oh, that ripped. And now I'm gonna put it in this box. It's not big enough. Alrighty guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do it a different way then. I'm gonna stretch it out. I'm gonna make a circle out of it. Just there we go. Much better. So that's it. Oh, that was good. So yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching.